You know that moment? You learn a word, you're 100% sure it's locked in your brain, and 2 days later, nothing. Total blank. That's not you. That's the forgetting curve winning. Today, we're going to destroy it for good. Stay until the very end because the last method is the one that completely changed everything for me. Hey legends, Jennifer in New York.
Michael in London. Hello, beautiful people.
Today, zero boring stuff, zero useless tricks, just 10 real methods that actually work in real life. And the final one, we call it the Tick 8 system. It's so powerful that once you see it, you'll never learn vocabulary the same way again.
I've been using it for months now. I literally can't forget words anymore. It's actually kind of scary how good it is.
All right, Mr. Perfect Memory, let's see how many of the first 9 methods you actually use every day.
Let's do this.
Okay, no more talking. Method 1. I'm starting strong. It's called the 4 by 24 power repeat. You take a new word and you have to use it 4 times in the first 24 hours. Once right now, once after 4 hours, once after 12 hours, and once after 24 hours. That's it. Brain locks it in forever.
Wait, that's why you kept texting me exhausted like 20 times the other day? I thought you were just being dramatic after the flight.
Exactly. I was testing it on you, poor Michael. But seriously, I used exhausted 4 times that day, and I still remember it perfectly. Try it once, and you'll never go back.
100%. Okay, my turn. Method 2, the explain it in 10 seconds rule. If you can't explain the word to an imaginary 5-year-old in under 10 seconds, you don't know it yet. I do this in the shower, loud. My neighbors probably think I'm crazy.
There is always power in simplicity. Someone who can simplify complex things is truly powerful.
That's the magic. When you force yourself to explain it simply, boom, it's yours forever.
Method 3. This one is my current obsession. One word equals one photo in your phone. Every new word, open camera, take a real photo of something around you right now. Write the word on it in your gallery. Your phone basically turns into a personal dictionary.
Hold on, I'm doing it live. New word, craving. Taking a photo of my empty coffee cup, typing, craving coffee like crazy. Done. See? Now every time I open my gallery, I'll see it and laugh.
That's perfect. I did it with overwhelmed. Took a selfie in Times Square with 50 tourists behind me. Now, every time I scroll past that photo, I instantly remember the word plus the feeling. Zero effort, maximum memory.
Your camera roll must look like a vocabulary madhouse.
Exactly, and I love it. Okay, we're on fire. Method 4. Michael, this one's yours again.
Method 4, the Netflix subtitle trick. You only watch shows or YouTube with English subtitles. Every time you see a new word, pause, say it out loud in your own sentence, then play. No pausing for more than 5 seconds.
Yes, I do this with the Office reruns. Last week, I paused on undermine, said Michael Scott always undermines Jim's ideas, hit play. Now, every time I hear undermine, I see Dwight's face.
Exactly. But here's the upgrade I discovered at uni. Do the exact same thing, but with English audio, plus English subtitles, plus headphones while walking. I used to walk around London repeating lines out loud. People thought I was nuts, but I learned 30 words a day without opening a book. Combine walking plus Netflix trick equals unstoppable.
Stealing that tomorrow. Method 5. My turn. Voice message to yourself. New word. Open WhatsApp. Record yourself saying the word plus one funny sentence. Send it to yourself. Listen every night before bed.
Doing it live again. Word. Overwhelmed. Records. Hey, future Michael. Today, Jennifer overwhelmed me with too many genius ideas. Sent. Now it's in my chat forever.
Perfect. And here's my upgrade. I have a private Instagram account with exactly one follower, me. Every voice note I make, I post as a story. Next morning, it disappears. But I've already heard it 3 times. Zero effort, total recall.
You have a secret Instagram? That's next level.
A girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. Method 6. Your turn, London boy.
Method 6. The fake translator game. Every time someone speaks to you in your native language, translate what they said into English out loud immediately, even if it's your mom asking, "Have you eaten?"
I tried this in the NYC subway. Lady asked in Spanish, ¿Está libre este asiento? I answered out loud in English, "Is this seat free? Yes, please sit." She looked at me like I was crazy, but I still remember seat free perfectly.
That's the magic. My upgrade from university days, I used to do it with my flatmates. We made a rule. Every sentence in the house had to be translated out loud. After 1 month, we were thinking in English without trying. Best house rule ever.
Combine fake translator plus walking around the city. As a result, you'll sound like a native in weeks. We're flying. Method 7. Michael, hit us.
Method 7. The Death Note list. Get a tiny notebook or notes app called Death Note. Every time you forget a word in real life, write it down and draw 1 red X. When it gets 5 red X's, that word goes straight to the top of tomorrow's list. It's brutal, but it works.
I love the drama. My Death Note lives in my phone. Word awkward had 7 red X's last month. Now, I use it in every sentence just to prove it's dead. Upgrade from me, every 5 X's, I make a 5-second TikTok reel using only that word. Public shame, as a result, 0 chance of forgetting again.
You're savage. Okay, method 8. Your go, NYC queen.
Method 8, the 5 people challenge. New word, same day, you must use it with 5 different real humans, friends, barista, Uber driver, anyone. If you hit 5, the word is yours forever.
Genius. I did this in London with craving. Told the barista, the bus driver, my mom, a random guy in the park, and my boss. By Curson 4, I was making up excuses just to say it. Upgrade. Do it over voice notes or DMs if you're shy. Still counts. I once DM'd 5 friends I'm craving pizza at 2 a.m. They hated me, but I never forgot the word.
I'm stealing that 2 a.m. move. Method 9, back to you.
Method 9. 1 word, 1 emoji story. New word, open Instagram or TikTok stories. Tell a 5-second story using only emojis and the word. Example, word, exhausted. Posts emoji story. Bed, coffee, zombie, exhausted. Post it, laugh, done. Your brain links the word to the funny visuals forever.
Your stories must be chaos. I do the same, but add voice plus terrible singing. My friends think I've lost it, but my vocabulary is unstoppable.
Quick pause. If you're loving these hacks, smash that like button right now. Every like tells YouTube to show this to more language legends like you. And drop in the comments which method you're trying first. We read every single one.
Yes, comment. I'm doing the Death Note or 5 People Challenge starts today. We're watching. Ready for the grand finale, Method 10, the unbeatable Tick 8 system. Okay, everything we just showed you is gold, but this last one, this is the nuclear weapon. Method 10, the Tick 8 system, the reason we literally cannot forget words anymore.
This is the one that changed the game for both of us.
Here's how it works. Dead simple. 1. Every day you pick exactly 10 new words. 2. You write them in a table with 8 empty boxes next to each word. 3. Every morning for the next 8 days, you open the table and try to recall the meaning without looking. Remember instantly? Put a tick. Hesitate or forget? Put a X cross and quickly review it. 4. Next day, you do the same with the same 10 words plus 10 brand new ones. 5. By day 8, almost all the boxes will be ticked. The word is now locked in your long-term memory forever.
Why does this destroy the forgetting curve? Because science says we have two types of memory. Short-term lasts minutes to hours, long-term lasts years. Normal studying only feels short-term, but when you force your brain to retrieve the word every single day for 8 days, something magic happens. Your brain says, "Oh, this is important," and moves it to long-term storage. That's exactly how the forgetting curve gets flattened.
Normal learning, 80% gone in 48 hours. Tick 8 learning, almost zero drop after day 8. I've been doing this for 3 months, 800 plus words. I still remember the very first 10 like it was yesterday.
Same here. I even tested it. I opened my list from 10 weeks ago and got 79 out of 80 correct on the first try. It's actually scary how well it works.
So here's your mission. Start tonight. Just 10 words. Make your first Tick 8 table. Screenshot it, send it to a friend, post it in the comments, whatever keeps you accountable.
And if you got value from this video, and I know you did, please do 3 tiny things that mean the world to us. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Drop a comment with the word Tick 8 starts today.
We really, really love you guys. We pour our hearts into these videos because we know how frustrating learning English can be. We've both been there. Every like, every comment, every new subscriber gives us rocket fuel to keep making these bigger and better. So thank you for being part of this lovely family.
See you in the next one. Bye!
See you again. Bye-bye.